So yesterday morning around 4 o'clock, I hear this alarm going around. I didn't know what it was, but it turned out to be the fire alarm. You know, when you're asleep, I'm like dead sleep. I finally fell asleep peacefully. And I wake up to this blaring alarm, and I'm like thinking, is it my phone? Like, what's going on? You know, no, the fire alarm went out. So I get my stuff, I get my clothes, I get my key card because I have to get back in. And I walk down from the 10th floor to the lobby. The lady at the front desk is yelling at us to go outside, which, you know, I get it. People aren't listening. People want to know what's going on. So we go outside and we just stand out there. And mind you, it's 18 degrees outside.